Are you ready to experience enjoyable floor care? The Moppet will transform one of your most dreaded tasks into an effective and enjoyable one. Soda spills, heavily soiled areas, even shake spills are no match for the Moppet. They will be cleaned up quickly and effectively, and your floor will be left dry. Unlike a mop, the Moppet applies a continuous supply of clean soapy water, scrubs the floor, and then vacuums up the dirt and germs into a separate tank. This video will train you on Moppet use and Moppet maintenance. Before using the Moppet, you need to fill it with water and soap. This is where you add the water and soap. You can look at the water fill gauge on the back to see how full the tank is. After you have filled the tank, add 1 pump of soap for normal cleaning, or 2 to 3 pumps of soap for greasy floors. Use the quick release lever to adjust the handlebar to your desired height. The Moppet is now ready to use. Turn on all 3 switches and walk. On heavily soiled or greasy floors, lift the squeegee and then make 1 pass, allowing the soapy water to stay on the floor. On your second pass, drop the squeegee to leave the floor dry. You can change how much water is going onto the floor by adjusting the manual water valve. When the valve is horizontal, the water is full on, and when the valve is vertical, it is full off. Anywhere in between horizontal and vertical will reduce the amount of water going onto the floor. After each Moppet use, you will need to drain the dirty water. To transport the Moppet, tip it on its back wheels like an upright vacuum cleaner. Draining the Moppet is easy. Just take the drain hose cap off and place the drain hose over a floor drain. Whenever the Moppet is not being used, it should be plugged in to charge. The charger is fully automatic, so no harm is done to the batteries if the Moppet is left plugged in for an extended period of time. The red light indicates charging, and the green light indicates a full charge. To prevent odor buildup in your Moppet, regularly clean the dirty water tank by placing the drain hose over a floor drain and spraying out the tank through the clean-out port in the front of the machine. When your Moppet starts leaving streaks or a film of water behind, it's time to change your squeegee blade. The squeegee is the most frequent maintenance item on the Moppet. With heavy Moppet use, your squeegee should last between 2 and 8 weeks. Each squeegee kit comes with instructions, a squeegee blade, 2 replacement wheels, and 2 lock washers. First, unscrew the wing nut on the back of the squeegee bar. Pull the squeegee insert and the blade out of the squeegee bar. Next, replace the 2 squeegee wheels. 1 wheel is on the squeegee insert and the other on the squeegee bar. When replacing the squeegee wheel, put the yellow thumb screw through the wheel and then the lock washer on the back side of the wheel. Push the new squeegee blade over the stud and dowels on the squeegee insert. Wrap the squeegee blade around the insert so that the 2 dowel pins on the side of the insert stay in the squeegee blade. Then insert the dowel pin on the end of the insert all the way into the hole on the squeegee bar. The insert can then be pushed up into the squeegee bar. The last step is replacing the wing nut. When the Moppet isn't putting enough water on the floor, you will need to clean the freshwater filter. Turn off the manual water valve and tip the machine on its back. Pull the filter assembly off the bottom of the machine. Unscrew it and remove the filter that's inside the housing. Rinse the filter under running water until it's clean. Don't forget to put the gasket back on the filter before reinstalling. For your convenience, there are moppet use and moppet maintenance instructions located on the back panel of the moppet. If you ever have moppet questions or need to order parts or supplies, we are easy to reach. You can call us using our phone number found on the dashboard of the moppet, or you can contact us through our website, www.moppet.com.